Good morning students. Today we discuss about tangent secant theorem. In tangent secant theorem, if this tangent ET or this tangent T, point of contact is T, AB is secant, touches externally, then their relation is shown as EA into EB. Here EA into EB is equal to ET square. Now for this we have first draw segment TA. This is segment TA. It is we draw here, and we draw also segment TB as shown in figure. Here it is a tangent and AB is secant, which touches the tangent at point E externally. Now for proof we have given that ET is tangent. So we write here in proof from figure. We write here AB is secant, and here ET is a tangent. ET is a tangent which touches AB at point E, which touches AB at point E. Now we join here TB and AT. Join here. Join TA and TB. Now in triangle EBT, here this is triangle EBT, small triangle. In triangle BET we can write also, or EBT. In triangle EBT and triangle, second triangle is here ATE. ATE. Now angle E, this angle E is common angle. This angle E is present in triangle EBT, and this angle E also present in triangle EAT. So we write here angle BET. We write here angle BET is equal or congruent to angle AET. Angle AET, common angle. Now again see this angle ETB. It is lies in arc EB, and also by tangent secant theorem it is half of arc BT. Also this angle A is also lies in arc BT, or it is inscribed in arc BT, so it is also half of this arc BT, and these two angles are congruent because they lie in same arc. So we write here angle ETB is congruent to angle EAT, and reason is tangent secant theorem. So we write here reason tangent secant theorem. Now triangle EBT, this triangle EBT is similar to triangle ATE due by AA test, angle test. Now here we see that angle E is congruent to angle E. It means EBT. Here we write here EBT is similar to ATE. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportional. So we write here ET upon AE. AE or EA, we can write also EA is equal to, now EB upon AT. Reason, corresponding side of similar triangle, CSST. Now by cross multiplication, here if we here get cross multiplication, then we get here ET square is equal to, here ET square is equal to ET into ET square equal to EA into EB, or we write here EA into EB is equal to ET square. Here triangle EBT is similar to triangle ATE. So we write here their similar sides are ET. ET is similar to EA. EB is also similar to ET. So by cross multiplication we get EA into EB is equal to ET square. Here EA into EB is equal to ET square, and this is tangent Sisay theorem.